11 Circle Lanka Premier League 2020. Win together.
The vibrance and the diversity that makes up the different colors of our beautiful island.
It's the first time it's being hosted, and it's here in Sri Lanka. I can tell you one thing, the talent is amazing from this part of the world.
It brings me great honor to be here and welcome all cricket fans locally and internationally for the grand opening ceremony of the Lanka Premier League 2020. This tournament provides the pathway for the young cricketers to gain experience and the exposure required to compete at an international level by playing with and against players of international repute. At the outset, let me thank His Excellency the President Gotabaya Rajapaksa, who personally got involved and supported us to carry out a tournament of this magnitude despite the prevailing situation. While thanking His Excellency, I also wish to thank His Excellency the Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa, who supported us immensely. The Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Honorable Namal Rajapaksa, for the unstinted support given to stage this prestigious event. If not for his initiatives and his involvement, Sri Lanka cricket would not have been able to obtain the approvals required from the relevant authorities to carry out this event. As you all know, it has been a challenging year for everyone, and there is a saying that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. And Sri Lanka always stands firmly as one team, one nation, and has always moved forward during tough times. Cricket is the pulse of our nation. There are no boundaries and there is no discrimination when it comes to this beautiful game. When we cheer for our players and for our motherland. When we win, it is victory for our entire nation. In this respect, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the IPG Group and the franchisees who are partnered with Sri Lanka Cricket for LPL 2020. I believe this would be the turning point for cricket in Sri Lanka and look forward to witnessing fabulous games during the next few weeks that will truly showcase the vitality and vibrance of cricket. Finally, I wish to extend my gratitude to Honorable Pavitra Wanniyarachchi, Minister of Health, Commander of the Sri Lankan Army Lieutenant General Shavendra Silva, all officers and other ranks. Admiral Jayanath Columbage, Secretary to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, IGP and the Police Department, health authorities and the staff of Sri Lanka Cricket headed by the CEO, Mr. Ashley De Silva, for the support extended to make this dream a reality. Last but not least, a very big thank you to Vice President and Tournament Director Mr. Ravin Wickramaratne and Vice President Mr. Jayantha Dharmadasa, Mr. Mohan De Silva, Honorary Secretary, and to each and every executive committee member of Sri Lanka Cricket who have always been my pillars of strength. Once again, I warmly welcome all of you and wish best of luck to all the players who are taking part in this tournament. Let's win together, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence, Honourable Minister. I would now like to kindly request you to take out your phone. And if you could kindly scan the QR code. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The My11 Circle Lanka Premier League LPL T20 app and the website are both live, and you can download the app on the Android Play Store as well as the Apple App Store.
Cricket is a sport we are proud of as a nation, as it is a game that brings our people together. Sports as a whole plays an important role in our country, and we as a government believes wholeheartedly that sports in Sri Lanka needs to be taken to the next level. We are very keen in promoting a healthy and active nation through sports, which will also contribute to the economic growth of our nation. Our national investment strategy on sports is not only based on infrastructure, but also on human capital, which includes coaching, training, and creating professional athletes, where I believe cricket can contribute immensely. LPL will not only give the world a great opportunity to witness the vibrance of cricket in Sri Lanka through sportainment, it will also be a platform for our upcoming players to perform in an international arena. I'm honored to be part of this historic moment, and I wish the very best to all the players, the IPG group, and Sri Lanka Cricket. I now declare the Lanka Premier League 2020 open.
The wicket's calling out to you. It's the sensation of the generation. Can you hear the lions roar? Ekuva Jayagamu, Lobama Jayagamu, Singhanada Batura. Cricket daru dile naam, ape kamaragina. Taranga bima hinda, Lobama kalamana, Singhanada Batura.
My11 Circle Lanka Premier League 2020. Win together.